Welcome to this guided relaxation meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly, letting go of any tension in your body. As you continue to breathe at your own natural pace, let go of the busyness of the day. Imagine a gentle stream of warm light flowing down from the top of your head, slowly making its way through your body, melting away any tightness or discomfort. Now, shift your focus to your forehead. Release any tension you may be holding there. Feel the muscles softening and imagine a sense of calm spreading like a soothing balm across your forehead. Move your attention to your jaw. Allow your jaw to relax, parting your teeth slightly. Release any clenching or tightness and let the relaxation extend to your neck and shoulders. Feel the weight of the day lifting off your shoulders. Bring your awareness to your chest. Feel the gentle rise and fall as you breathe. Imagine your heart beating steadily, radiating warmth and tranquility throughout your entire being. Now, direct your attention to your arms. Picture them becoming light and loose, as if any stress or tension is draining away. Sense the serenity flowing down to your fingertips. As you shift your focus to your stomach, allow it to rise and fall naturally with each breath. Release any holding or tightness in this area. Feel a sense of ease spreading through your abdomen. Move your awareness down to your legs. Picture them becoming relaxed and heavy, sinking into the surface beneath you. Let go of any remaining tension and feel the support beneath you, grounding you. Now, take a moment to appreciate the stillness within. Enjoy the calm sensation that permeates your entire being. You are in a state of deep relaxation. As we conclude this guided relaxation meditation, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace with you as you continue with your day. Thank you for joining this meditation. May you carry the calmness you've cultivated into the world around you.